Today we're walking the Ridgeway trail. Come and take photos with us.
So we went around the trail and we took photos of the nature around us.
We were going up hills and taking pictures of wildlife.
We did a walk and we had our cameras which we could take photos of different trees, flowers and animals.
I had such a fun time running around with my friends and looking at the beautiful views.
At our school, we understand the relationship between children being in the outside and improved mental health and well-being. So we see them feel free and able to express themselves in ways that they wouldn't normally be able to do at school.
I've not really been here before, but when I've been here for my first time, it just really made me very happy.
It was very interesting learning about the facts and seeing the really good view.
I thought Whiteleaf Cross was one of the best forests I've ever been to.
I think it was really pretty and a really good place to view and take pictures.
I really liked it because it was just refreshing and calm.
I really enjoyed taking pictures of the leaves, animals and stuff because it made me feel like when I'm older it will make me feel like it's memories.